going to make some junk journals out of old Christmas cards. So take a couple of Christmas cards, big, small, however big you want your little junk journal to be. I'm going to do a mini one. So I've got 2 little Christmas cards, cut them to size. Easy, don't have to be fussy. I've got a sheet of paper written on. That came out of an old diary. I never throw anything out. I never throw any cards people send me out. Old card. Oh, don't know. Just a ladybird because it came off an old card. And a little bit of that. Let's go. Take the 2 cards like that. Glue them together so that we've got a book. Now to make it not look like a Christmas card too. So time to stick things on. Literally, honestly. This is yours. Stick it on. Stick a piece on like there. Yeah, gonna go for that. It's my favourite thing. Glue that bit to there. Like that. Stick that on there. They call this a boner, but anything will do. There we go. Okay. Now, cut that off there. Again, just glued that. Glue this. A bit more than that. Pop that there. Don't worry too much. It's called a junk journal for a reason. Fold that. Trim that off. That fits there. Quite like that. There we go. Put that on there. Good. All right. Inside. Let's have some words inside. Bit of Romeo and Juliet. Stick it in there like that. Any old books would do, honestly. This is a junk journal. It's quite interesting. Somebody will think, oh, I'll read that. I quite like that saying, so I think I'm going to put that there. So put it like that. That. I'm not going to cut that bit off. I'm going to use that as a tag, a place to put tags in a minute. So we'll ignore that. I want to cover the back here. Quite like that. That's quite nice, doesn't it? That'd be quite nice in there with that folded over like that. Bit of ribbon on there. There we go. Again. Put it there. Trim off the edges. There we are. Now I don't want this to close, so I'm just going to glue there and there. See? So you can still slide things in. That's it all covered now. Now to start adding bits to it. This bit of ribbon came off a Christmas cracker. But I think it'll look perfect there. Got some washi tape. And some bits of card. Obviously. Don't throw anything away. I'll pop that in there. I do love a bit of washi tape, me. I do. Holds things together without tearing anything. Okay. A bit of ribbon there, I think that'll do. Gonna add a bit of lace to there. I think that's what looks quite pretty, doesn't it? Add a bit of lace. Bit of spot of glue down there. Across there. Honestly, this being a junk journal, doesn't take. Don't get worried about what it looks like, because you can just look. That was a bad bit of glue in there by me, but let's glue something over the top of it, just like this. Hang on, make sure it's the right way. There we go. Glue that on like that. Look. Job's a good one. Oops. There we go. There, look at that. Snip that off. There. Tidy it up a bit. Got another old Christmas card. Can get a tag out of there and a tag out of there. Make a few tags. Top tip when you're making tags. Put that bit there. Take that bit there. Turn it over. Put it there. And the tags are even. Took me ages to work that out. Take the hole puncher. Make a hole. There. Got some Amazon packaging that I ironed, give it an iron. Gonna make a little notepad. Got a picture from an old calendar and put some words. A picture is a poem without words, that's what that says. And chopped all the bits of paper up into these. Bit of washi tape. Over there like that. Can't see them now. There we go. There we go. All done. Notepad. Clip it in there. Like that. You can decorate the paperclip if you like. That's another thing to do. Right, now to fill it. People say to me, what's a junk journal all about, Helen? Yeah. Something when somebody opens it, they find lots of different things in it, and then they can fill it with other things as well that they've found along the way. I mean, if this is a birthday junk journal, maybe you'd write in there all that happened on your birthday, stick some photographs in there, fold it up, keep it for another year to see what happened. I do like to stick in a couple of stickers. Do love a flower sticker. Stick that in there. And a butterfly sticker. I love words, me. What's that? Life is like a collage of memories and experiences. Pop that in there like that. That over. Put the little book we made there. Pop that in there. Oh, I liked these. Look, a little. I think they're old cigarette cards. I think that's what they are. Old cigarette cards. Look. So, but they're quite nice. Wildflowers, and it tells you about the wildflowers. So, I thought I'd pop a couple of them in. Pop some of them down there like that. Put another. I've added a bit of fluffy there. Quite like a bit of fluffy. Oh, you can't guess the power of a little flower. That can go in somewhere. Oh, shall we put that down there? I think so. One more to pop in. Where can that go? Ah, let's pop that in there with that. There you go. Right. Got a bit of old lace. Don't know where I got it from. Get it from everywhere. Wrap it round. There we go. A little tiny junk journal made from Christmas cards. And bits and pieces. Happy playing.